and rum.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming.
Hello folks, welcome to my Christmas special on Taste Buds. Today I am making my own version of Jamaica's most popular Christmas drink, which is Sorrel, and I am taking it up a notch. This is Yardie Belly's version. I'm adding a whole bunch of stuff, and guys, I promise you are gonna love this one. White rum there, red wine there, a whole bunch of stuff there. Guys, let's begin by telling you what this is. Pineapple, sorrel, cranberry, raspberry ginger drink. Yes. Let me begin by washing my pineapple because I've gotten so much heat over pineapple in the past. And once I've washed and cored and peeled my pineapple, I'm taking the skins to the pot and putting it in water to boil. I'm not boiling it on high, I'm just making sure it's right at the boiling point, okay? Then I'm gonna be washing and cleaning my sorrel. I'm using some Royal Montego sorrel, and you can get this on the shelves in almost every store in South Florida. I'm using some Ocean Spray fresh cranberry, and I have some raspberry in my freezer that I had from a while back. I say I'm gonna throw it in the pot as well. Alright, so that's the main essence of what we're gonna be doing today. Yes. And of course, I have my trusty ginger that I'm always adding to my brew. And today I'm just gonna wash the ginger thoroughly with my kitchen brush, scrub it down nicely, and slice it up and add it to the pot. Yes, guys. I am so excited about this Christmas brew because sorrel is one of the Jamaica's favorite drink when it comes to Christmas time. Some people go virgin with it, meaning that they don't want rum and all of that, but some people put a lot of rum. I'm adding my sorrel to my pineapple and my ginger, and I'm gonna allow this to just to brew below the boiling point for around 30 minutes or thereabout. You don't want it to be boiling, rough boiling or heavy boiling. I don't know what to describe. You just want it just below the boiling point. Then I'm gonna add my cranberries, guys. And these are frozen cranberries, so you want to do a good job. I'm adding about half a cup of cranberries, and this is how it looks. Nice, don't it? Yeah man, the brew is brewing. It's sorting out, I tell you. The next thing I'm gonna add is my cardamom, and I'm using a lot of cardamom because I totally love the flavor of cardamom. You can be a little bit more reserved. I'm using maybe about 8 pods of cardamom. Yes. So you want to add your cardamoms to the pot, and then you want to stir. Make sure everything is well incorporated. And guys, at this point you want to keep the fire on really low just to get everything sort of, blending and stuff. You don't want to just lock up because the cranberries were frozen, so you want to make sure the pot stays a little bit hot for a little while longer. I have some whole cloves that I'm adding as well. I tell you, this is a real brew right here, and I'm putting in my whole cloves. I'm using about 4 or so cloves. You can add as much or as little as you want. And then I'm adding my raspberries. Yes, raspberries. At this point, guys, you want to totally turn your stove off, and this is what you're gonna leave your brew for overnight. Yeah, just make it stay there. It has to come to a full, complete cool. So just leave it overnight. Let all the flavors marry and make everything blend in nicely. Alright? And of course, I'm adding in some pimento. How can I forget the pimento? Alright, so I'm adding in some pimento seeds, and I also have some orange skin that I'm adding in as well, or orange rind that I'm adding in as well. And guys, I'm giving it a full-fledged sangria vibes with this one. Trust me on that. And of course, I'm adding in some cinnamon leaves. Yes, sir, I'm adding in cinnamon leaves. Ah, yes, the house smells so good. All right, so let me show you what I'm gonna add once everything is cooled down. I have a full bottle of Manischewitz red wine, table wine. It's a Jewish wine. I have some honey. I have some organic sugar that I have from Aldi. I'm gonna be using to sweeten it, and of course my trusty friend and good buddy, the Ray and Nephew White Overproof Rum. Now guys, this is not a drink for children. Okay, let me just tell you from now, this is not a drink for children. And also, if you are diabetic, guys, you may want to reduce as much as possible the amount of sweeteners that you use in your drink. All right, you may want to totally omit the sugar and just sweeten it with the honey, or you may want to cut everything in half, or some people really and truly do not add any type of sweeteners to it. It is that good, I promise you guys. It's tangy, it is nice and fruity, undertone, everything good. So you want to get your juice, your liquid out of the pot now. So you're just gonna strain it off and make sure you get out all of the liquid out of the pulp. If you want to squeeze it out, that's fine by me. Any which way you want to get the liquid out, you may go ahead and do so. At first I measured and was precise in measuring my rum because I wanted, I don't want it to look like I'm an alcoholic. But by the time I start to get into the whole vibe of things, I abandoned all measurements and just went straight ahead for broke. So officially we have about half a cup of rum and the full bottle of table wine. Let me just tell you officially. All right, don't come for me, guys. It's Christmas, okay? Please don't come for me. It's Christmas. Then I used just about maybe about 10 or so tablespoons of sugar, and I used about 3 tablespoons of honey because I started out with the honey, but then I said, you know what, I'm gonna finish the honey and it's still not gonna be sweet enough to my desired taste, and so I started with the sugar. Now again, this is just my desired taste. You guys don't have to go as sweet as I did, and it's not super sweet. It's just I made a lot. I made enough so that I could give to some close friends and family, and so that's why I had to add sugar. Okay, if it was just a little batch for myself and my family, we may not even have added any sugar. So yeah, please don't come for me. It's Christmas. Alright guys, so once you have sweetened your brew, you bottle your brew and everything is nice and flavorful and spicy and good, you want to put this in some nice little bottles and put it in your refrigerator. You normally don't serve this with ice. You serve it in a moderate style glass, but I have it here with some ice. I don't business. And guys, I just want to tell you, it was an awesome drink. For those who taste it, they'll know. For those who have not tasted, try your best to make it over back in your neck of the woods now. Until then, is Yardie Belly saying, live and laugh, cook and eat, and have yourself a Merry Christmas. Remember, God is the reason for the season. But until then, guys, please enjoy yourselves. I hope for my subscribers and my viewers the best that 2020 has to offer. I do hope that you will all receive the utmost of blessings, and that God will reveal himself to you guys in a more deeper, substantial way. As for me and my family, we want to thank you for watching our videos. We want to thank you for subscribing. We want to thank you for reaching out to us in many different ways. And we do hope that 2020 will be the best year for you and your family yet. Please have a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year's from my family to your family. Yardie Belly saying, love you all, respect, peace, and love. My sorrel tastes so good. Yeah, and listen, one glass, we drunk you. Let me just tell you from now. Blessings to you. Live and laugh, cook and eat.